How to fix Roblox freezing. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing the freezing or lagging problem in Roblox. Whether you're on your mobile device, PC or console, I have the quick fixes that will actually work. So why the Roblox freezes? So here are the reasons why Roblox might freeze. It is because of weak or unstable internet connection, so you have to check that, or it can be due to outdated graphics drivers, so you have to keep on updating your graphics driver which is installed in your computer, or too many applications running in the background, or Roblox errors or corrupted files. So if you're on PC, try to close the background applications on your device and open Task Manager. Once you do that, go ahead and tap on the program that you don't want to run, right click on it, and then tap on End Task, and you'll be done. You can also update the graphics driver, especially if you're using NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel GPUs. After that, try clearing the Roblox cache from your browser. For that, go ahead and tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Now tap on Settings, go to Privacy and Security, click on Delete Browsing Data, select Cookies and Other Site Data, and also select Cached Images and Files, and then tap on Delete Data, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. If you're using your mobile device, you can restart your device, close all the background applications, and clear the Roblox application cache. Then reinstall Roblox if it still does not work. And if you're using your console, close the game completely from your device and then restart your console and make sure that the Roblox and the system firmware are completely up to date. You can also use your Wi Fi instead of using your mobile data. Get closer to your router, try restarting your modem or router, and use Ethernet if you're on PC or console for the best stability. And that's how you can fix the Roblox freezing. And if one of the solutions worked for you, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Roblox solutions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.